I'm at Raj Bhavan or Lok Bhavan, where Sunetra Pawar, who is the wife of Maharashtra's former Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar, who Maharashtra lost in a tragic air crash just 4 days ago, his wife is today going to take oath as the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra. She is the first woman Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, and as you can see behind me, the entire Lok Bhavan or Raj Bhavan is completely prepared, decked up for this occasion. On any other day, it would have been a joyous occasion for Maharashtra to get its first woman Deputy Chief Minister, but the state continues to be in mourning after the sudden demise of Ajit Pawar, and we have seen a lot of hectic political activities which have happened in the last few days, particularly today, on the background of which this swearing-in ceremony has taken place. Several top leaders of the government, which is the Mahayuti, are already here at Raj Bhavan or Lok Bhavan, and Sunetra Pawar is taking oath. The oath is administered by Maharashtra's governor, and he has come to Mumbai specifically for this after he was informed that this oath-taking ceremony is being proposed by the government. We have seen hectic political activities through the day today, several meetings that were held. The day began with an early morning briefing by Sharad Pawar in Baramati, where he claimed that not only was he not invited, but that he was also not aware that Sunetra Pawar was being sworn in as Maharashtra's first Deputy Chief Minister today. He said that the family has not been taken into confidence. Most importantly, he also said that there were talks of reunification between NCP and NCP-SP, talks which went on for a few months, he said, which were headed by Jayant Patil from NCP-SP and by Ajit Pawar from NCP, and that the talks were at advanced stage. Later, Jayant Patil also claimed that the final stage of talks did take place on the 17th of January, after which it was decided that a merger of the two parties will be announced on the 12th of February. A video also came out showing that a meeting between Ajit Pawar and leaders of NCP-SP had taken place in Baramati on 17th of January. NCP thereafter refuted that video, and in fact Sunil Tatkare came on record to say that while the video of the meeting is true, the meeting did happen only to discuss the possibility of fighting the local body elections together, which was the next phase of elections, and that Ajit Pawar himself had briefed the media after the meeting, saying that such a meeting did take place to discuss only the local self-government election combination at that particular time. While the BJP has come on record to say that it is the party's internal decision of merger or not to merge, and that the BJP will only be happy if the two parties merge, Sharad Pawar stayed away from answering questions when asked if he was open to joining hands with the BJP. As of now, we have seen that after hectic political activities, Parth Pawar, who is the son of late Ajit Pawar, went to Baramati to meet Sharad Pawar at Govind Bagh. At the same time, the NCP held its legislative party meeting in Mumbai at the Vidhan Bhavan, or the state legislature, where 45 of the 48 members of the legislative party were present, and they unanimously passed a resolution appointing Sunetra Pawar as the leader of the party. The Gata Neta, as well as the leader of the legislative party, is what some sources say. We have Praful Patel, who has confirmed to us that he has been appointed as the leader of the legislative party. The letter which was circulated to the media said that she had been appointed as the leader of the group leader, and she has also been given all the rights by the party to take decisions henceforth. Sunetra Pawar, meanwhile, in all these happenings, was seen as an extremely somber person. She came up, she offered her condolences at the photo of Ajit Pawar in the office of the NCP, and thereafter she sat in the meeting. She did not speak with anyone. She was quiet throughout the period, and she walked out of Vidhan Bhavan soon after the meeting. only to go back to her bungalow. Thereafter, senior leaders of NCP, including Praful Patel, Sunil Tatkare, Dhananjay Munde and others, went to the Chief Minister to hand over the letter showing that Sunetra Pawar had been appointed by the party as its leader. Thereafter, this ceremony had taken place about the oath taking of Sunetra Pawar. After hectic political activities, we have seen that Maharashtra is getting its first woman deputy chief minister, even as discussions about the fractured parties, about the possibilities of merger continue, and that might take some time for us to get clarity about what that path ahead will be. Thanks for watching.